Last month, Huawei AirPads Smart Office 2022 revealed some new devices, including 3 laptops, 1 TWS earphone, and 1 tablet. Ta-da! Here's the tablet, which is the Huawei MatePad Pro 11. If you plan to use it for leisure activities like drawing, watching movie, or even business purposes, maybe you can consider this tablet. This MatePad Pro features an 11-inch OLED display that supports a refresh rate of up to 120Hz, a Snapdragon 888 chipset, and up to 256GB of internal storage. It is also powered by an 8300mAh battery that supports 66W Supercharged. It has a Huawei Follow Cam 2.0 with a fixed zooming range, which ensures that it tracks your movement even when you move around while having a video call. And no worries, it supports 4 microphones as well. Watching video is also enjoyable thanks to the Huawei sound with 6 speakers. In addition, it supports a 60MP selfie snapper and a dual rear camera setup of 30MP primary camera and 8MP wide-angle lens. Last but not least, this tablet supports the 2nd generation Huawei M Pencil and Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard. With them, you can draw like a pro or jot down notes with the Huawei Notes app. If you get this tablet, don't forget to let us know in the comments below, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and bye!